So one thing I love about the Omlet Eglu Cube chicken coop is it is so easy to clean. I have had it parked under a tree for quite a few weeks. So the top is looking gross. The inside really needs to be cleaned. This coop, because it's plastic, is so easy to clean and sanitize if needed. So I'm just gonna clean it right now and show you guys another reason I love it so much. I can hear a girl getting inside right now. What are you doing? I'm gonna clean in there. You gotta get out. So I have these little single-use gloves on hand. I got them when I got the rescue hens, just, you know, for anything I was doing with them with medicine and stuff. So I just use them when I clean too. All right, you gotta go back out, baby. So if all the hens were out, I'd close the door, but since she's in there, I'm just gonna let her chill for a minute. So this pulls right out, which I didn't have any shavings in it from the last time. Shavings would have kept that a lot cleaner. Go on, baby. Go out. There you go. Whoop, whoop. Okay. So there's a door right here. Now I don't have to worry about them going in. If you don't free range, which I don't let them free range, it's nice to shut that little door. This is the door that you can block off the nesting area, which I have not been, but I'm actually gonna start now. I've been letting them sleep in the nesting area. Oh, look how much better their eggs are looking. I should show you guys what their eggs looked like when I first got them. So now that I've had this coop 2 or 3 months, sorry, Bo's being loud today. Now that I've had this coop for 2 or 3 months, this is my only con. Is that I don't know why the nesting area doesn't pull out like the roosting area. Other than that, I don't think there's anything wrong with this coop. That's the only thing is I wish this had a tray just like the roost. So if you had a hose with higher pressure, this would all come right off. But unfortunately I couldn't find mine. I don't know where it is. I know we've got one somewhere. Since I can't find my different spray nozzle, I'm just going to get it wet and scrub it. There are little tiny, 1, 2, 3, there's 4 small holes in the nesting area, so like I can still push the water out, so that's nice. So anyways, everything's pretty well clean now. I'm gonna put it back together, get some bedding, and it'll be as good as new. Okay, so everything in the coop has dried, so I'm going to go ahead and put some bedding in it. I'm also going to put some First Saturday Lime, which, if you've never heard of it, repels insect and pests from the yard and garden. It has a ton of things. You can put it in water. It's safe for chicken coops, stables, barns, and kennels. It's got a lot of great qualities. Safe for children, safe for pets, safe for organic farming. So there you go. I'm gonna put it on the bottom tray where I put their bedding. And I'm also gonna put it in their nesting area to hopefully help with any insects. I've never put it in water, but on their Instagram and social media account, I see a lot of people put it like right in the water, I think, to keep it from getting like algae, and it doesn't seem to dissolve in the water. It sits on the bottom. You can check out their social media if you're interested in it. I didn't buy it for the longest time, and they obviously know what they're doing, so I decided to get some. So I have the tray in here already that I cleaned. This bedding I put down in the tray is literally just to make it slightly easier to clean, so it doesn't need very much, because the roost goes on top of that, so it's not like they're sitting on this. And it's hot summer, so if it was cool winter, I would put more bedding in there just to keep it warm. The roost. Sits in like that. Now I'm going to fill up their nesting area. Okay. And let's see. This is the little door that you can open and close to keep them in or out of the nesting area. There we go. It is clean. I'm going to open the door back up for them, so if they want to go in to lay eggs. It does have a little door on the side to collect eggs. And there you have it. Omelet chicken coop is nice and clean, and now I'm trying to decide if I should move them to a better shaded area.